Most people in the United States use a credit card every month, but very few people actually understand how cashback really works. Some people earn hundreds of dollars every year. Others earn almost nothing, even while using the same credit cards. The difference is not the card. The difference is how the card is used. In this video, I'll explain how cashback credit cards work in the United States and how people use them the right way. Cashback is one of the simplest reward systems in the U.S. When you use a cashback credit card, the bank gives you a small percentage of your spending back as money. If your card offers 2% cashback and you spend $1,000, you get $20 back. That's it. No points, no miles, no complicated math. So how does this actually work? Every time you use your credit card, the store pays a small processing fee to the bank. The bank keeps most of that fee, but a small part of it is shared with you as cashback. Instead of the bank keeping everything, you get a portion back. There are two main types of cashback credit cards in the United States. The first type is flat cashback cards. These cards give you the same cashback rate on every purchase. For example, 2% cashback on everything you buy: groceries, gas, shopping, bills. These cards are simple and predictable. They are great for beginners. The second type is category cashback cards. These cards give higher cashback in specific categories, like 3% on groceries, 4% on gas, and 1% on everything else. These cards work best if your spending matches those categories. Now let's talk about when you actually receive the cashback. Most cards add cashback monthly. Some cards add it after you pay your credit card bill. You can usually redeem cashback as statement credit, direct bank deposit, or sometimes gift cards. It is real money, not points, not coupons. Many people make mistakes with cashback credit cards. The biggest mistake is carrying a balance and paying interest. Interest charges can easily cancel out your cashback. Another mistake is using the wrong card for the wrong purchase, and some people focus too much on rewards instead of spending responsibly. Cashback only works if you pay your full bill on time. There is no single best cashback card for everyone. The best card depends on how you spend your money. Some people prefer one flat cashback card. Others use 2 or 3 cards strategically. The smart approach is choosing cards that match your lifestyle. Cashback credit cards are not a shortcut to wealth, but when used correctly, they turn everyday spending into money coming back to you. Groceries, gas, bills, shopping, same spending, smarter results. If you want your money to work for you in 2026, understanding cashback is the first step. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more simple and clear finance explanations. And remember, spend normally, choose smart, and let cashback do the work for you. So, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support this content. And feel free to share this video with anyone who uses a credit card in the United States. Now, if you want to know which credit cards offer the best cashback, what benefits each card provides, and how much cashback you can realistically earn, you'll find that information in the next video.